I just picked up a new Nex Playground for our playroom. It's so easy to set up and get moving. I'm gonna bring you along on unboxing it and then setting it up. It's pretty straightforward. So grab a cup of coffee, you're gonna need your phone, and let's get moving. First, we gotta clean up a space to play. Nex recommends 6 to 10 feet, and make sure there are no hidden Legos. Next up, let's unbox your Nex Playground. We have the playground console. Be careful not to scratch that lens. An HDMI cord, power plug, and remote. The first step is to plug the HDMI into your TV and then into the playground. The second step is to plug the power adapter into your wall or power strip and then into the playground. Keep in mind the playground needs to be centered under your TV. Install the batteries into your remote, and let's go to the setup stage. You're going to need to pair your remote by holding the bottom 2 buttons. Now you're just going to use the remote to follow the on-screen steps. You will need to connect to Wi-Fi and then sign in or create your account. If you've bought the Play Pass subscription, which I highly suggest, this is when you'll need the code to add to your login. The code will either be on a physical card or a digital card provided by Nex, Amazon, or wherever you purchased. The only exception is the Costco bundle that has the code already preloaded into your system. Your games will need time to download, so depending on your internet speed, it may take a bit, so grab that cup of coffee. That Play Pass subscription unlocks 60 plus games. As a mom of 3, I personally go through and hide a bunch so the kids aren't overwhelmed. I do have a different video I'm working on of the best games to get started on Nex Playground, but I recommend starting with Mirrorama, Fruit Ninja, Cookie Monster, Bowling, and Starry. Let me know what questions you have in the comments below, and enjoy playing.